So, hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we're gonna install the wooden sphere, which I got as a present. And due to space issues, I have to place it in the corner, so I have to find out a turning mechanism to enjoy it from every side. So let's go back in the workshop. I already found the materials which we will use. I don't know what that is, but it has some huge ball bearings inside, so pretty nice. This is the leg of a dresser. It doesn't fit right now, but we have to figure out a way to turn that down. And yeah, at last part, a hand cranked drill, so I can turn the sphere. Let's go. Okay, here it is. It's not a beauty at all, but it's a success. So it's a pretty snug fit. It rotates perfectly, and I can put the screw back in from the bottom and lock everything in place. I removed the head of the bolt so I can attach the drill to it, and I also switched the handle to gear down the gill. I will show it to you. Change the transmission. I just figured it out. It's super simple and super genius, so I will share it with you. And to understand it, I have to open that. So here is the handle attached to this gear. So big gear to small gear. Fast rotation, so I just have to take off the handle from here and add it to this side, and now we're turning this small gear, and so we have a not so fast rotation. And now we will work on this part. Okay, here it is. The most important part, it's done. It will hold the sphere, and the rest I will make off camera. And then I will show you this artwork in its final position, and it's right here outside where I got. Every day. Assmann. Yeah, that's it for today. It's done. I'm super pleased with the result. What should I say? It's super hypnotizing. Thanks for watching. See you on another project.
Yes,
Bye.
I will subscribe to the channel. I will like this video.